Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia back with yet another sponsored video by a company called Wig Fever. And you already know, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and make sure to drop a comment down below if you like this wig install. So today's video is brought to you again by a company called Wig Fever. They sent me a 24-inch kinky curly hair. It is a 13x4 lace frontal, and this is supposed to be, I believe, HD or transparent lace. So I'm just showing you how it looks straight out of the packaging. And then also, this hair came super fast. I just want to mention that the shipping was extremely fast. Company was very professional, communicative, and also, just bomb.com customer service just out of the gate. So I just wanted to mention that. And then they have the one comb in the back, as well as the adjustable straps on the sides, as well as the 3 combs in the front, which you guys already know nobody really uses these. So I hope hair companies in the future stop applying these. So this is how the lace looks directly out of the packaging. As you can see, it blends pretty well on my hand, but the knots are kind of dark, so I am going to go in and bleach the knots. I apologize if I sound a little crazy today. My allergies are really bugging me. I'm just trying to get this voiceover done. But they also sent me an adjustable band as well as a brochure that just basically has information about the hair company. And they also sent a wig cap, which most clients, companies send to us clients when they send wigs. Like, this is the standard wig cap. So I'm just going in with some Wella Blondor and 30 volume by Schwarzkopf, and I'm just going to apply this all over the frontal and let this sit for about 30 minutes. After this is done sitting, I am going to check the knots to make sure everything's processed, and I'm going to apply a couple foils on top just to make sure that it's insulated and the process is nice and fast. So now that that's all done, I'm just rinsing off this hair. I did shampoo this with a purple shampoo afterwards just to get any of the brassiness off. And I shot this end part of the video 2 different times, so I actually started shooting it at home, and then my camera footage got corrupted, so I had to finish reshooting again at the salon suite. So you're going to see 2 different settings in this video. Right here, I'm just throwing on the wig. I've already adjusted it to my liking, and I'm just going ahead and cutting the lace. And you just want to make sure that you take your time when you do this. You do not want to destroy the lace. So far, I like this curl pattern straight out of the packaging, but I am going to saturate it and wet it down. So again, this is straight out of the packaging. This is how the hairline is looking. This is how the scalp is looking. Really realistic. You can part it everywhere. And I'm just going to go in now and start to install this. And for this video, I am going to be using glue. You guys know I don't like to glue my units, but I did decide to go in with the Hair by Erica J glue just for this one specific video. So I've already pre-fitted everything where I want it to sit, and now I'm just going in front of my hairline with that Erica J glue. I'm going to apply 2 layers and wait for it to start drying semi-clear, not all the way, and I'm going to start to tack it down, starting from the middle, working my way from the left to right. You just want to make sure when you're gluing your frontals down, you take your time. You don't try to slap the whole thing on at once. Try to apply it in sections just so you have a really clean and neat application, okay? So again, second layer with the Erica J glue, shout out to you. And I'm just going to go ahead, apply this, and then start to stick the lace down onto the glue. So now that that's glued down to my liking, I'm just going in with the Miracle Spray by Kaleidoscope. And I'm just going to saturate my hair with that before I go in with water to saturate it even more. So I put the Miracle leave-in just to help the curls be nice and uniform and smooth, and making sure that everything is uniform. And then I'm just adding water just to stretch that product throughout my hair so I'm not wasting it. So I'm going to fully saturate this, and then I'm going to part it and style it a couple of different ways. Please drop a comment down below. Let me know if you're feeling this wig or if you've tried wigs from Wig Fever. And as always, I will drop the information down in the description box below, as well as my social media information and how to contact me. And if you guys have not already, make sure to follow your girl on the gram, period, okay? So I'm going to finish styling this a couple of different ways. If you guys have any questions, you already know you can comment down in the description box below or in the comments below, and I will try to respond to as many as I can. And you guys already know, my old subscribers now, always do this. This is literally with the glue and just a comb in the back and the strap that I adjusted. Normally, even without the glue, these wigs are pretty secure. And this is just how the curl pattern looks up close. So right here, I'm just freestyling, doing like a cute little 90s style. I wasn't even going to include this because I was literally just tweaking and trying some different things, but I thought this was kind of cute, so I'm going to leave it in here. And I'm outie because I'm literally doing this voiceover in between clients. Yet again, I'm super busy, and I'm just very appreciative, and I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive day and enjoys my content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.